is that I was one of those people that they made fun of before bullying was popular. It was okay with me. It made me the woman I am today. It made me a little bit stronger. I would be the one that they would find in the hallway to make fun of and to pick on. And my mama, way back when it was just between you and your family to raise you, and your family could teach you how to think, and you weren't raised by all of the world, my mother would tell me, if they're talking about me, they're letting someone else rest. I can tell you, that's the woman I became. That's the woman I became because if I could put my arm around somebody else that couldn't handle being made fun of, and I could let them talk about me, and I could encourage that other person beside me. And at 16 years old and at 12 years old, I learned that I could be that person. And that if they wanted to talk about me, I knew who I was. I knew that I could hold my head high, and I knew that I was just trapped in circumstances that were beyond my control. And that I just had to survive those circumstances. That's okay. And in a minute, I'll be in control again. Today, I want you to possibly hear, no matter what your challenges, no matter what your circumstances, you can be the passionate person that looks outside the box to a world that is creative and spontaneous and kind. You can be the person that makes the difference in the lives you touch every day. You can be the person that's more tolerant of the other people beside you. Not of those underachievers, but of the overachieving weirdos. And if you happen to be one of those people that thinks a little different or acts a little different, wear it with great pride. Just be careful you don't become one of those outrageous people. Embrace your uniqueness. Learn to laugh at yourself. Forget those others that don't have anything better to do. We've all been inspired by the 12-year-olds that take on bullying, or the 7-year-olds that take on hunger, and all of a sudden they're filling up a Mack truck, or the 6-year-olds that decide, I want everybody to write a letter to the soldiers where my daddy is. And they start a program that sweeps the earth. Those little inspirational pieces of the world, those one-at-a-time little parts that inspire you to be more than you thought you could be, grab onto them. Those are food. Those are drink.